Let me recognize the problems so it can be solved. Let me recognize my problems have been solved. So to any degree in which you understand this, it is applicable. So psychologically and more applicably, it does relate a lot with relationships. And these are very helpful in the sense of that literally if you have a problem in a relationship, in any sort of relationship, not just intimate, but in any sort of problem, is that you are holding on to a resentment or a grievance. And the miracle is to let that go. I mean, that's very simple. If only it was that easy, right? And it's a pretty remarkable thing, but that we use our relationships and our world in any sort of sense to train our minds to eventually get rid of all resentments and grievances. That's the stairway to heaven. You're using every experience of getting upset at this or upset at that and realizing that soon you just don't care anymore. Just don't care anymore. and that's more beneficial than than insisting that it has to be this way or that way. And there's so many different ways in which we can understand this, but essentially you're upset because you're seeing something that's not there, and that is the resentments and grievances. And it literally looks like physicality. Most people don't take it that far like I do, but physicality is built off of these resentments and grievances. That's why I know through my death experience that letting go of all resentments and grievances, I saw the world as it was without any physicality presence. And there's still a world of experience. It's the illuminated world, is it? It's transparent. It's absolutely fascinating. So, but of course, I'm here in that sense of what I look like, physical, right? We look, like this dress, but in the like this dress, you can't tell that it's a dress. So to recognize any sort of problem between your friends and family, yes, there's something in my mind that I am obsessing over. I insist that it should be this way or I should be that way because of these laws that it goes by, or because of these commandments that it should go by, or these moral standards. And yes, I understand we want to keep society running in a specific fashion, completely agreeable, and not destroy anything. But in that, we want to recognize a miracle is replacing all grievances. You can't have a miracle and grievances. You can't. It literally is the presence of physical laws and construct. Grievances, resentments, these mind things are all projected outward, and you're living in a world of physical laws. You didn't realize that just the fact that you don't like the toilet seat up has to do with the whole laws of gravity. It's impacted in every single one of them. That everything that we go by in physical construct and laws is within our resentments and grievances. Every single one of them. All of it. You can't get out of it. Nothing. Nope. Nothing. Okay, I'm done here. But if you're not choosing it, it's not going to happen in any direction. So even just finding peace in the relationship, if yes, it's my problem, yes, I can find the solution here by recognizing the problem is here. Yes, benefit the relationship, absolutely, beautiful. The world being physical, We want to get to the transparent, illuminated reality. We want to ascend to the world of energy, spiritual universe. Look in here. The problem's in here. Grievances, resentments, it's all in here. And I can save the world from pain and suffering, which only happens in physicality, by forgiving them.